Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. From Sunday, November 6 to Saturday, November 12, 2022, the Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, Father Angel Fernandez Arteme, will preside over the spiritual exercises of the provincial councils of the Central and Northern Europe region. The appointment shall take place in Turin, Valdocco and will complete with the 7th and last Salesian region the journey of spiritual exercises with the provincial councils of the various Salesian regions that began always in Valdocco about a year ago in November 2021. The preaching of the spiritual exercises to provincials and provincial councils of the various Salesian regions by the Rector Major is a novelty introduced by Father A.F. Arteme following the 28th General Chapter as a means of animating the local leadership of Salesian provinces and vice provinces around the world, and in order to coordinate the homogeneous advancement of the congregation along common programmatic lines. The Tinico Salesiano Educational Unit in Cuenca hosted the Salesian Artistic Fair Don Bosco Skill, an event organized by the National Council of Salesian Education, CONESA, to celebrate 25 years of institutional life. It was attended by about 150 students who are members of AES, SYM dance and music groups from 15 Salesian school centers, CES. The event's goal was to celebrate the journey with all the CES and of networking through a space for students to participate and share their achievements in living the association experience. The inauguration of the event was attended by Father Francisco Sanchez, Provincial of the Salesian Province of Ecuador, EC, Father Waldemir Acosta, President of CONESA, Father Juan Flores, Rector of the Sacred Heart Community of Cuenca, Yacunque, SDB directors, delegations from invited institutions, rectors, vice-rectors, teachers, students and parents. 10 dance groups participated, presenting folk dance choreography from Ecuador and Bolivia, as well as urban dances and ballroom dances. The 5 musical groups at the fair shared a repertoire of national, pop, rock and cumbias music. In each of the presentations, it was possible to see the skills developed in these areas as well as the values achieved in the group work. On November 1st, in the Cathedral Basilica of Santa Maria Assunta in Messina, Father Giovanni De Andre, Provincial of the Salesians of Sicily and Tunisia, ISI, presided over the Eucharistic celebration, during which 5 Salesians made their perpetual profession. The newly professed come from different parts of the world: Pius Kanyanja from Uganda, AGL, Antonio Loretta from Modica, Italy, Alexandre Majambere from Burundi, AGL, Titus Mwao Mutisia from Kenya, AFE, and Patrick Mwenya from Congo, AFC. In continuity with the meetings of previous years, the Conference of Salesian Provinces of Italy, CISI, Formation Sector and the Study Center of the Work, Living Tabernacles, proposed the 3rd edition of the in-depth meetings of the program guidelines of the Rector Major after General Chapter 28. It is a simple and usable formation opportunity offered to Salesian communities and lay co-responsible people. In the first 2 years, video views reached more than 20,000 hits. The first edition delved into the Salesian Sacrament of Presence, line 3, while the 2nd edition developed the consecrated identity of the Salesian in a vital relationship with Jesus, line 1. In the year 2022 to 23, the focus will be on the urgency of Da mihi animus cetera tolli, the 2nd line. As in previous editions, there will always be the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Arteme, to comment, deepen and explain what it means to live in today's context, the Da mihi animus. He will do so in the interview scheduled for Saturday, December 10, 2022. On October 25th, the Salesian Province of Venezuela, VEN, celebrated the first meeting of the Salesian Commissions and Teams for the period 2022 to 23. With the aim of evaluating, reflecting and planning the educational pastoral year, members of these groups met in the facilities of the Don Bosco Popular Technical School, giving them the opportunity to meet new faces and commissions that are being integrated. In addition, they reflected on the processes outlined in the 2019 to 25 Pastoral Educational Project, and at the end, each committee met to discuss their topics of interest. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.